everyone, I am here today to unbox my January 2020 Delilah box subscription. If you've seen my previous videos, Delilah box is a subscription box for biblical fiction readers. These are really neat books, and I really love the subscription box. They all come in a handmade little cotton bag with a drawstring. And they're all filled with different little goodies, including at least 2 books. Sometimes you'll get 3. So let's go ahead and unbox what came in January's. So this is the first thing, January 2020. It tells you about the Delilah box, and it tells you your little Bible study. And this is actually really neat. I love the little Bible studies that are in here. So this is your little devotional sort of thing. And let's see what else is in here. There are books in here. So let's see. Now this is the first book. This is Jerusalem's Queen by Angela Hunt. Now I do have to go ahead and say that this was not the intended book that was for January. It was actually going to be, I believe, Judah's Wife. I believe that's what it was. But because I follow the Delilah box on their Facebook page, I had actually mentioned just casually that I had already read the Judah's Wife and I own it. So what was so nice was the owner of Delilah box, her name's Taylor, she actually wrote me a little note. I did not know she was going to do this, and she put, "Catherine, Judah's Wife was the January book, but you mentioned you had read it, so I substituted Jerusalem's Queen." How nice is that? I mean, honestly, that was really sweet. I didn't even write her to ask her. She just saw that I had casually mentioned that I already had that book. So instead of sending me a double that I didn't even get from her, she went ahead and gave me this one instead, which I did not have. So, I mean, you're not going to find that in another subscription box. They're just going to give you what they have. But that was very sweet that she was even willing to substitute, and I didn't even have to ask. So you can tell that she really does care about her customers. And then here is the other book that came for this month, Mara, Daughter of the Nile. Now, I've never actually heard of this author, so this is a new author for me. So this is actually really interesting. So I'm really looking forward to this one. And then we have goodies that come in the box. So we got a pen. I can always have a pen. I need pens in the house all the time. Don't drive faster than your guardian angel can fly. I love that. I love that keychain. That is so cute. And we've got a bag. This is a really cute bag. Live happy. I like that a lot. And then in every box you always get some sort of little candies. So I got some candy, some hard candies. I've got some cold brewed iced tea, and then of course decaf Earl Grey tea. I love that it's always decaf. That helps me immensely because my daughter, she actually drinks the tea. Little notebook, Wild and Free. This is nice. And then I believe I have a bookmark in here. Yeah, we got a bookmark. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118:24. And then the last little thing is a little crossword. So this is really neat. I like this. A little crossword of the prophets. I like that a lot. So here's, again, everything that came in this box. Of course, it's not technically a box. It is a subscription box, but it doesn't come in a box. It comes in a very sweet little handmade cotton bag that has drawstring. I believe that the lady Taylor sews these herself, but she really does take a lot of care into finding everything and making sure that this is a very good box for your money. I mean, for the books themselves, they're very expensive anyways. I mean, like right here, this one was $10.99, and then this one, I believe Angela Hunt, she's about $15.99. So I mean, right there, for the price of the subscription boxes, I mean, you're already pretty much there just with the 2 books alone, full price. And then you have all the other little trinkets that come in here. And honestly, it's really fun to just have that surprise. If you love biblical fiction, it's really fun just to have the surprise of what book it is going to be for the month, or what books, and just go into your mailbox and seeing. Because honestly, I love all biblical fiction, so I just look forward to seeing what the books are about and what's going to be for the month. So again, this was the January 2020 Delilah Box subscription. If you want to subscribe to Delilah Box, I have a link below in the description box for you. It's not affiliate or anything, it's just my regular link to show you. And again, this is the 2020 box for January, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video.